Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, we are here with the prediction of 12th August 2021 IELTS exam. On this date, we have both academic and a journal training exam. So we're going to talk about the prediction for both academic and a journal training, and also I'm going to tell you something about the writing topics as well. So let's start a prediction, and we're going to start with the listening first. Well, in listening part 1, there could be fill in the blanks, and part 1 of listening could be easy. For part 2, there could be small multiple choice questions and a map to complete. Part 2 could be easy to moderate. For the part 3 of listening, there will be a large multiple choice questions, and that will be easy to moderate again. For the part 4, there could be fill in the blanks up to one word, and that will be easy. Your overall listening for the 12th August 2021 could be easy to moderate. And once again, I want to tell you guys, only and only IDP will be conducting exams, no more British Council exams in the month of August, forever now. Okay, let's further move on. So moving on, we're gonna talk about the reading module now. So academic reading first. Well, in passage 1, there could be fill in the blanks and match the information, and passage 1 could be easy to moderate. For the passage 2 of academic reading, there could be choose the correct options from the all given options and some question and answers to do, a short question and answers, and passage 2 could be moderate. For the passage 3, there will be just a few like 4 to 5 multiple choice questions, few true false not givens, and just few fill in the blanks. And your passage 3 of academic reading could be moderate for the 12th August 2021. If we talk about the overall reading for academic, then yes, it will be moderate. For the reading of a journal training exam, in passage 1, we could expect multiple choice questions and yes, no, not given, and that will be easy to moderate. For the passage 2 for the journal training reading for 12th August 2021, there could be list of headings and choose the correct options from the given options, and passage 2 could be easy. For the passage 3, there could be true false not given, summary completion, and choose the correct option. Your passage 3 could be moderate. Your overall journal training reading for 12th August 2021 could be moderate, but it won't be too moderate. It will be, yes, little moderate. So like you can say easy to moderate, but more moderate. So that's the reading of journal training exam. Further, if we talk about the writing module, then for the task 1 for academic exam, line bar table map, and for the task 2, there could be topics like employment, society, culture, education, technology, people, internet. Agree or disagree, advantages or disadvantages, that kind of an essay where you have to give both sides of views. And for the task 1 for the journal training exam, there could be informal letter. You have to write an informal letter. So guys, this is the writing module for the 12th August 2021. Also, as I have mentioned this before as well, so I have predicted some writing task 2 topics which have a high probability to come in your examinations till September 2021. So if you have booked your exam for the month of August, or if you're planning to book your exam for the month of August or even September, then please watch this video, as this video is already available on the channel. Just go and watch these topics, just have a look through these topics. If you know the ideas, if you have already prepared these topics, it's great, perfectly fine. If you don't know, if you think that any topic is really new to you, or you don't know what to write about it, what kind of ideas, then just gather those ideas. Just have a little bit of ideas what you can write if you have any this kind of a topic. So that video is available on the channel, so you just go and run through those topics very quickly. So that's all for today, guys. So this is the prediction for the 12th August 2021 IELTS exam IDP. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you do like this video. If you do, then please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. We will be back with so many other videos. And yeah, I want to say that there have been questions about a change in the speaking pattern. Guys, that video will be available on the channel very soon. I have not yet put this video because I just want to be perfectly sure about it. So thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Best of luck for your examination, for booking, for results and everything. Just be safe. Thank you, students, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.